Good beer fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Bigtoneproductions. Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do some beef short ribs. And we're going to do them in the pressure cooker, but we're going to do them with a tomato sauce this time. So, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share the video, guys. Let's get started with some short ribs. This is one of those recipes. It's like a like a slow cooker type recipe, but we're just doing it in a pressure cooker. Main ingredients: short ribs. This is about 4 packages. It's about $6 or $8 a package. So we're going to do quite a bit today. There's my short ribs, and then I got some just regular, just sliced button mushrooms I'm going to use in it. I got some carrots cut up. This is 1 whole onion, just roughly diced. And then I'm going to use just a tad bit of beef broth with it. Mostly it's going to be diced tomatoes. I got 3 cans of them. Some tomato sauce. Some tomato paste. Then for my seasonings, black pepper. Some lye seasoning salt. Of course, you know I don't leave home without my pink Himalayan. Sea salt. And then I got some garlic powder. That's all there is into this recipe. Let's get started with it. The first order of business, put a nice seasoning on these short ribs. So I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, my pink Himalayan. I got a couple layers in here, so I'm gonna move these around a little bit. I'm gonna flip them over a little bit. Gonna try to get all the sides here. There we go. And we're going to hit them with the black pepper. Move these around a little bit so I can get everything. Everybody's got to get some seasoning. There we go. And of course, my lye seasoning salt. That's really about it. That is actually it. We're going to season them, but I'm going to go ahead and shake these up in this container a little bit. Try to move some things around. There we go. I'm going to meet you over to the grill. Okay, so we're just going to brown these off on the grill here. We're going to try to do all sides. You hear that sizzle? There you go. That's what you're looking for. I chose to do it on the grill instead of in the pressure cooker so I can get them all done in one swoop. One just swoop through. Alright, so while those are browning up on the griddle, we're going to go ahead and throw some of our ingredients here in the pressure cooker. First thing we're going to put in is
1 big onion. It's about a cup.
And we're going to drop in just probably about a cup of beef broth. Not very much. There we go. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to turn some of these over. They're browning up too quick for me. Alright, so we got our onion in there. And we got our little bit of beef broth. And to that, I'm going to start adding my tomato ingredients. We're going to add our 2 cans. There's 2 cans of diced tomatoes, fire roasted, by the way. Then I'm going to add the 3rd can here. Then we're going to add a whole can of, this is a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. And we're going to add a whole 6-ounce can of tomato paste. There we go. Get that in there. Now we're just going to take the meat straight off the grill. Put it right in there. You see the brown that's on these? Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that.
Whew, guaranteed.
Boy, I love this griddle. If you guys want one, all you gotta do is just click on the link in my description. It takes you right to Still Made USA, their website. Go ahead and give one a try. I love this thing. I think it's probably only left my stovetop maybe twice since I've got it. As you can see, I got my short ribs there in the pressure cooker. That's all we're gonna put in right now. I'm gonna do a little bit more seasoning with some seasoning salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle that over the top, just like that. We're gonna cover it and let us do its magic, really. All right, so we're gonna lock it down as always. Line up the little line and the arrow. We're just gonna click it on high. That's high, and we're gonna make this. I'm gonna make it 35 minutes. I'm gonna cook this for 45 minutes, but I'm making it 35 for right now because then I'll go back and I'll add my mushrooms and my carrots. As you can see, it's starting to spin around. Bam! I'll see you guys in just a second. It's been 35 minutes and I took off the lid here, and this is what I come to. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put one of these out. It's just about where I want it at. It's not quite totally fall apart, but another 10-15 minutes it'll be that. So what I'm going to do, that gives me enough time to throw in my carrots and my mushrooms. And I'm not going to season them. There's plenty of seasoning in there. And we're going to drop those in. And then we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on, guys. And we're going to put it on for another, the default is 15 minutes. I'll probably come back in 10. It's been an additional 15 minutes that I put it on for. And they are right where I want them. Fall off the bone and meat is coming right apart. That's right where I want them at. So I'm going to turn on the pressure cooker on the sear mode. And I'm going to use a little bit of a slurry here, and I'm going to make this sauce a little bit thicker here. Alright, so once it started bubbling here, I'm going to pour in my slurry. If you guys don't know what a slurry is basically water and some cornstarch, which basically just makes it thicker. But you can see how just a little bit of that slurry is starting to make it thicker. I'm going to pour a little bit more in. There we go. And I'm going to let this cook just a little bit longer here. Get it a little thicker. And I'm ready to serve it up for you guys.
Got him!
Look at that. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm going to plate this up here. I'm going to let it cook for another few minutes. I'm going to plate it up. I'm going to put it over some mashed potatoes. Some short ribs and the tomato sauce over some mashed potatoes. Some a little bit of carrots, a little bit of mushrooms. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm ready to take that bite. Short ribs and tomato sauce with some carrots and a little bit of mushrooms over some mashed potatoes. You know I'm waiting for that bite. No knife needed. Not at all. Oh my God. You get a little carrot. Hey guys, no knife needed. You can cut it with your fork. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.